Hey y'all, I'm Chris and this is It Worth It, y'all? And today we're gonna do a quick little recipe for you. It's not gonna take long at all. We are going to ferment cabbage and a coleslaw mix to make our version of sauerkraut. Stick around. All right, y'all, you know I'm a book nerd, so here's my book for the day. The Art of Fermentation by Sandor Katz. Best book ever. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cheat a little bit. We're gonna use some bags of shredded cabbage, and I'm gonna cut this up too. So then we need to weigh out the cabbage because we're gonna use a 2.5% salt brine. So I need to know how much all of this weighs after it's all cut up and shredded. And then you've seen this guy before. We're gonna shove it all in here. So I'll be right back whenever I've got everything weighed out and ready to go into the crock. All right, we have a tare with our bowl. I've got all the cabbage cut up. We're gonna get this in there. Lovely. And then we're gonna add our pre-shredded cabbage. Both bags. I know this is gonna look like a lot, y'all, but it's gonna get real tiny when we start massaging it. Let's see, let's get all this off. Okay, there's our bowl. All right, we are at 1,408 grams. So now I need to calculate the salt. All right, looks like I need 35 grams of salt. That'll give us 2.5%. So we're gonna tare it again. And we're using Morton's kosher salt. All right, we're there. And you can see it's already disappeared. So next step is working this salt into the cabbage. All right, we've got the salt mixed in. I've got it turned around real good. We're gonna let this sit for about 15-20 minutes and we'll come back and we'll see how much. We're trying to get it to make its own brine so I don't have to add anything to it. So we will come back whenever this has released some of its juices. So 117. We'll bring you back in a little bit. Alrighty, about 15 minutes in, look at that. It's gone down a lot and it is starting to sweat, what I like to call sweat, but that salt is pulling out the juices out of the cabbage. So I have massaged it a little bit, but I have not like beat it up or anything, but yeah, it's working. Wow, look at that. Oh yeah. There's juice down there. We've been going for longer than 20 minutes, but this is great. We're getting there. We're getting there. It's very different texture now. It's definitely breaking down. We're gonna let it sit some more. I'm gonna mess with it some more. And then we're gonna pack it. Yeah, see? Definitely different now. Wow, look, y'all. There's plenty of, oh, I don't know if you can see it. Oh yeah, look at all the liquid down there. Yes, it's time to pack. All right, we're gonna shove all this in there. We're gonna add leaves and add those. This looks awesome. All right, cabbage is in. Can you see? Oh, I don't know. Let's go. Oh, there we go. Okay, there it is. It's in there. It does not have enough juice to fill, but you see it's close. So I'm gonna have to watch this. I'm gonna let it sit some more. I'm gonna put some leaves on and the weights, and then we'll come back and see. Probably I'm gonna give it another hour and make sure it's covered. If not, we'll have to add something. Okay. Weights and cabbage leaves are in. I'm gonna give it another hour until it's time to put the lid on. We're close. All right, y'all. I think we got it. How are we doing on the liquid? I hear it. All right. Well, we're gonna call this done. I know that's kind of, it feels like it's blurry. Can't see it. I'll bring you back when we're ready to open this up to see what it looks like, probably this time next week. So fingers crossed it goes well. All right, y'all. I hope you had a good week this week, and we will see you next Tuesday. And until then, like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.